So welcome back. I am back in London after a 10-day stay in Istanbul, Turkey. It's been about 2 years since I've been over to Istanbul. I know the city pretty well. I have family over there and some friends, but this was the first time I'd been over to Istanbul where photography was my main priority. So while I was out there, most of the days I was meeting up with both Roman and Faisal, and all the shots on today's episode were shot on the Fujifilm XT4 alongside the 33mm f1.4, which Roman borrowed me. As for Istanbul and photography in Istanbul, in my opinion, Istanbul is one of the most photogenic cities out there, and both from my own experience and the cities I visited, and by talking to other photographers who have traveled the world, I think we all pretty much agreed that Istanbul is up there among the great cities to go out and do photography in. So yeah, before getting into the episode, you can really help this channel out by hitting that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe as well.